welcome to my channel. Today you're making aeroplanes and boats. First you need to put it at the edges, look like so carefully. Then you put it like that, then you fold it. Ta-da! Then you open this up. Then you do like this little thing. Then you do the same like that. Then you do this to the edge. That's it. You turn it around. Then you do this. Then you hold this edge. Then you need to turn it. Then you do to the other side. Then you do to the other side again. Two. Yeah. This. Yeah. Nope. Then you do to the next. You do just the same at another side. The other side. Then your plane is ready. Ta-da! You made a plane. Let's try one more time. Let's do one more time. Let's see the wind. Let's see the wind. Whoa! Thank you for watching this video. You can do this at home.